there, cowboys and cowgirls. Welcome to the Blue Galaxy.
Whoa, guys, that was crazy. It's been so long since we've been in the Blue Studio, I felt like I was on a different planet. I wonder if it has anything to do with the out-of-this-world phone we're going to be looking at today. Say hello to Blue's latest flagship, the G91 PRO. Yes, I know the box looks epic, but let's talk about what's inside, because that's all that matters, right? At least that's what my mom says before all my first dates.
I was right then, and I was right now. You'll be.
Mom, what are you doing here? I'm working.
Get me a free phone.
I can't even get me a free phone.
Ben?
Yeah, sorry. So the G91 PRO delivers a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Infinity dot display, kick-ass 128 gigs of internal memory, and 6 gigs of RAM, a 5,000 milliamp battery, Android 11, and so much more. Let's blast off right into it. Phone, quick charging brick, Type-C cable, headset, sticker, SIM key, quick guides, screen glass shield with wipe, rugged case. These colors on the G91 PRO, Moonstone, and Graphite are so damn sexy. I mean, look at that color. Fuego. Now let's talk display. I wanted to show you guys just how amazing this 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 1080p Infinity dot display really is. I can now watch my favorite videos all day long with no interruptions. I really do look good here. Let's check out the comments. Mom, are you still here? The G91 PRO is a refreshed version of the amazing G90 PRO. It includes the advanced G90 gaming chipset, so you can blast through all levels of your favorite game without delay. This device is also rocking the latest ARM Cortex A76 Octa-Core architecture. See, I did a whole section and I didn't even make one dad joke. What was I talking about? Memory. The G91 PRO lets you work hard but play harder with its supercharged 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Talk about convenience. With all that extra space, we know you're going to want to download all your favorite games. But where does that leave your battery life? Fear not. With the G91 PRO's 30-watt ultra-quick charge, you can power up that bad boy over 50% in less than 30 minutes. That's crazy fast. Not to mention Blue is keeping it easy breezy with 10-watt wireless charging. All you have to do is bloop. And bam, we are charging. As if this phone couldn't get any better, you can unlock your G91 PRO with the press of a finger. Or unlock it by doing a quick model pose. And show off that moneymaker. Let's talk about camera on this baby. Since selfies are a thing of the past, and today it's all about the dances on TikTok, having a great camera is critical. The G91 PRO has a quad rear camera combination that has all the functions you need to take perfect photos. Let's see it in action. Oh, some article that says I'm too old for TikTok. Well, age is just a number. So let's watch some popping and locking. That's not gonna go well. Hold on, I'm sorry. Anyway, as I mentioned earlier, the G91 PRO has a quad camera setup in the back with a main 48 megapixel camera, a 2 megapixel depth of field sensor camera for professional grade portrait mode shots, all powered by AI enhanced smart imaging and video, and finally, the third camera is a 5 megapixel, 115 degree wide angle lens for those special group photo ops, or in my case, showing the Blue Studio, my favorite place to be. And if none of you know what the hell I just said, don't worry, no one does. Just know your pics are gonna be like super totally amazing, girlfriend. Capping out the last camera, we have a 2 megapixel macro lens for those up close images that capture the finest details. Like this one that I took earlier of the inside of my nostril. Wanna see it?
No!
Okay. So, with the AI processing technology, the G91 PRO's 108 megapixels super zoom camera processes photos up to 4 times higher while maintaining clear and crisp clarity. That means your camera will be able to recognize pictures of food or outdoor greenery. I was gonna try it with my lunch earlier, but yeah, I got hungry. That didn't happen. Another cool feature of this device is its 4K video. That is almost unheard of with a smartphone at this price range. That way you can capture all that popping and locking we were doing earlier. But I'll let you test it out for yourself. Finally, for our selfies, we have a 16 megapixel lens with awesome features like portrait mode and several other AI add-ons such as beautification mode and live filters to choose from. Sadly, it's time for us to say goodbye, but before we do, I have something that'll cheer you right up. Blue has an amazing deal lined up for you. You can get the G91 Pro with its 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Infinity Dot display, quad cameras, 6 gigs of RAM, and 30-watt quick charge exclusively at Amazon.com for only $249.99. This price is unbelievable. You're getting a smartphone that gives you business and pleasure, and not to mention everything that comes in that gorgeous box. But you know that Blue takes care of its Blue fans. So for a limited time, they're giving a launch deal of $100 off. This means that you'd be paying $149.99 for this phone. Wait. What? Are you serious? Wow. Blue fans, you are not going to believe this. I just got word that Blue is also throwing in something they've never done before. The first few hundred fans to purchase a G91 Pro will also get Blue's all-new Aria Pod Plus earpods included in their purchase. I mean, I just can't handle this. It's too much. The Aria Pod Plus is Blue's latest wireless earbud with advanced 13mm dynamic drivers that pump out robust sound and crystal clear treble that will bring your music to life. Seriously, guys, jump on this deal ASAP. I can guarantee it won't last long. If you aren't one of the lucky few to receive this truly incredible launch day deal, fear not, for Blue always takes care of you. The Aria Pod Plus and its sister Aria Pod are available for purchase on Amazon.com for $19.99 and $29.99 today. Run, don't walk and miss these incredible Blue items. As always, thanks for watching, guys. It's truly been too long since I've gotten to hang out in the Blue studio, and it feels good to be back with such an epic device. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to Blue's YouTube channel, and follow us on all of our social media channels. Ben here, signing off. See you guys next time.